नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो। Myself, Dr. Anita Chaudhary, Assistant Professor, Department of Materia Medica, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, JVWU. Today topic is Materia Medica, types of Homeopathic Materia Medica, Part 3, Comparative type of Materia Medica. In this type of Materia Medica, drugs having similar pathogenesis are compared with their differentiating points. Again, they are studied with similarity of pathogenesis at different level, which are as follows. At symptomatic level, all clinical materia medica are of this type. Comparison of the drugs are made on peculiar sign and symptoms present in a drug. Example, comparative materia medica by E. A. Farrington, comparative materia medica by Gross, number of drugs 115. Comparison at organ level, drugs are compared with their here indication for a particular organ. Those are otherwise known as organopathic type. Example, therapeutic by Casey Bhanja. Third is comparison at organ level. Drug having a resemblance to each other are compared. Example, Sina and Chamomilla in this book, Children type of Douglas. Merits: easy to understand the differentiating feature of each drug, useful when cases come with apparently similar symptoms. Demerits are all the symptoms can't study by this way. Understanding of the whole drug cannot be possible in this type of materia medica. Psychoanalysis type of materia medica. In this type of materia medica, mental symptoms and psychological sphere are analyzed and probed so that drugs are individualized on the basis of their personality, temperament, understanding, etc. Essence of Homeopathic Materia Medica by George Vitholkas. Protract of Homeopathic Materia Medica by Catherine Coulter. Homeopathy Psychology by Philip N. Bailey. 35 drugs. Merits is understanding of drug at psychic level impossible, useful in cases with more of mental symptoms. Demerits, physical symptoms not included. Approach through periodic table. This type of materia medica is introduced by John Sholton. Periodic table consisting of 7 horizontal rows and 18 vertical columns. Dr. Sholton's introduced a novel approach that drugs in each horizontal row bear some similar characters, though differing in continuity. Example, the first horizontal row, known as hydrogen series, from hydrogen to helium. This series corresponds with concept of the period of unborn child in the development of life. Similarly, number of horizontal row is carbon series, lithium to neon corresponds toddler, etc. Third theme, age area. Third series correspond to teenager, etc. Like where the table show the theme, age area, sense of tissue affection of medicine belonging to each horizontal group. The 18 vertical rows as described by him are stages in a cycle. Similarly, Dr. R. Shankaran attempts to explain symptomatic relation of drugs belonging to horizontal of vertical group. Merit: general feature of each row can be understood, easy to remember. Demerits are action of each drug is not explained well, all the elements in a row is not proved, only a few are proved and using in our practice. Study of drug analyzing the groups. Drugs belonging to same family is vegetable kingdom, belonging to same group in mineral kingdom, and same species in animal kingdom bears many similar relation as regards symptomatology is concerned, though bearing their own individuality to be differentiated. Example, Ophidia group having common symptom like sepsis, hemorrhage, edema, etc. Example, a clinical materia medica by E. A. Farrington, homeopathy and homeopathic prescribing by Harvey Farrington. Harvey Farrington made groups according to his own choice, not including drugs of same family, but drugs bearing similar sphere of action is a group. Textbook of homeopathic materia by Otto Laser. He grouped as alkalis, halogen, sulfur, carbon, group, heavy metal, etc. Merits. General feature of each group can be studied. Feature differentiating each other can be studied. Easy to remember. Demerits is some drugs will be entirely different from the group. Combined type of materia medica. In the age of 20th century, many geniuses of homeopathy tried to represent all types described above, ingest with emphasis on important aspect relation to each drug. Textbook of Materia Medica by S.K. Dubey, Textbook of Materia Medica by M. Mohanty, Systematic Materia Medica by K.N. Mathur. Merits. They are ready-made, easy to remember, giving an overall idea of a drug. Demerits. Even though all points are given in brief, still they are not to of the type in jack of all trades, master of none. A clear picture of drug cannot be understood. Specially read Matra Medica, Drug of Hindustan by S.C. Ghosh, 47 drugs, Materia Medica of Nosot, O. A. Julian, first edition 1982, contains 66 drugs. His Materia Medica of New Homeopathic Remedies contain 106 medicines. Merit, given drugs can be studied thoroughly. Demerits, number of drugs are very less. This session powered by digital version 2.0 JVWU. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.